Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Florida Arts by Elsa for another video. So today I don't have anything to show you. My pieces from my previous videos are still drying and they look amazing. I'm happy. I can't wait to get to those. In the meantime, we're going to continue painting. So we are working once again tonight on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I already have it sitting on my table. And we are going to be working with shades of pinks. Yes. So shades of pinks will be our colors for today. We'll see how that turns out. So see, different shades of pink. I can't wait to get started. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget, if you like what you see, continue to support my channel. Click on the subscription button below. And let's go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so we are going to go ahead and get started. Let me just move these colors over. Okay. And the color I have in here is the Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam and Titanium White by Loft. I mixed the two. I made it very, very subtle light blue color. And I'm going to show you in a minute here. Let me just get myself situated. Okay, so I'm going to show you. It is it's like a hint of blue. Take a look at that. Very light. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, but before I begin, I just want to test my canvas, make sure it's leveled. Okay, we're good. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and begin. We are going to flood the canvas. So I am going to go ahead and start with Permanent Rose by Winsor and Newton. And I love this shade of pink. I'm thinking I'm going to go here. Like that. I'm going to go here. Like that. And I'm going to go here. Like that. Okay. Next color is Pearl Tulip Pink by Arteza. And this has a shimmer to it, as you can see. Pretty pink. So we're going to go ahead and put this color down. And just take your time. I've been kind of rushing. I need to take my time a little more with my design. Okay. And as I'm layering my colors, I'm thinking if I want to add gold or silver to this. Not sure. Next color. This is a pretty one. Iridescent Red Blue by Pebeo. And you can see how beautiful this color is. That's my next color. I made a mess. Let me just clean this up. thinking if I want like a silver or gold hint. My next color is Light Rose by Amsterdam. So shades of pink, very pretty. And it has a blue base. Okay. Now I am throwing in a hint of Pearl Waterfall Blue by Arteza. So a little shade of blue. Okay. Okay. Now I want to think. Okay, I'm going to throw a shade of silver. I don't know if this will go, but I'll do silver. So Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Just a little bit. Not sure if this is gonna go here, but we'll put it in. Now that I put it down, now I'm like, oh, maybe I shouldn't have. Oh well, it's in already. And last color is Pearl Blue by Amsterdam. So we'll see. We'll see even if this one shows up. Okay, so those are my colors. Let me move this all out of the way. There. And I'm gonna torch out my bubbles here. And you see, as I've been talking, it's been spreading. So you can see my colors have been spreading. So I need butane. Give me a moment. Okay, so I'm recharged now. I had to add some butane. Okay, there we are. And we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna begin. And I'm gonna start right here, work my way down. Okay, so I am super happy with the minimal space that I have. I do want to break it up in here and make sure that I get some more white in there, but I am super happy with how this looks. So let me go ahead, just get that corner there, and I'm going to open up some space in here. So to do that, I'm only blowing in over here to create the space that I want. And I'm gonna just go in with my finger. I am happy. I love it. Wow, this is pretty. This is very pretty. Okay, gorgeous. Okay, so now I'm happy with that. And I don't think there's anything else that I want to do here. Okay. I am going to clean up my edges. I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. We'll be right back. So here she is, everyone. And look how gorgeous. I am super happy with this color palette. I love it. I love how subtle it is. I love how you can see depth and interest. I love the movement in this piece. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take you in for a close-up. I'm sorry about the lights overhead here. So take a look at the, first of all, look at that border. Isn't that border just absolutely stunning? You have all the colors here. And then you have these cellular microscopic cells here. Beautiful, just popping through all different colors. Love it. It continues to branch out into this gorgeous mix of colors. Look at that. Coming down into the center, you see the streams of colors running through. You see some lacing, some webbing, more of those cute little cells here. We're going to go down to the middle here. Look how gorgeous. Beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about this. Look at that border. Just a beautiful piece. And then again, look how the stream of colors flows up here. Look at that banner here. The border. Beautiful cells in here. It goes up to, look at that. Look how gorgeous. Oh boy. That is super pretty. Look at that. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I load a video. And look how beautiful. I left a lot of the little negative spaces all over the painting here because I just love how that looks. So don't forget to click the subscription button. That way you subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate your support. And tell me what you think about this color palette. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.